Hello and welcome to another daily t-shirt design tutorial. My name is David Osamoje. Without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go straight right into it. Please, I will advise you stay through, watch to the very end. Don't skip this video, watch it to the very end. If you want to learn how to make 100 to 1000 passive income monthly from t-shirt design, from print on demand, creating stickers, creating t-shirts, creating phone cases, this is the channel you want to be on. Watch my videos and stick around to the very end to learn all that you need to learn. So without wasting much of your time, I'm just going to go straight right into this. As you can see, I'm using canva.com. You can see canva.com is what I use now. So I'm just going to create a design. You should know the standard dimension, but if you don't know it, I'm going to tell you straight right now. It's 4500 by 5400. 400. So that is the standard pixel, not inches, not millimeter, no centimeter, pixel. Create a design. This design is going to be a super easy one. It sells well. It's a motivational t-shirt. It keeps you going. It sells well. So we're going to go into font. We go to font, go to text. We'll go to text and we'll just find a good text we can use for this. Just find a good text we can use for this. So let's use this one. Let's use that one. So as you can see, it's quite small, so I'm going to move my cursor to this edge, press down my left mouse click button and just expand that by dragging my mouse outward. As you can see, super easy. Yes, they sell super well. Don't think these designs don't sell. They sell super well. For this is what I'm going to be changing. Control A to highlight all. So this one is going to say wealth. This one is going to say wealth. As you can see, it's overlapping and you don't want that. So to fix that, you move your cursor to this edge and just drag outwards till it's on a straight line, like so. So now you have that. It says wealth. Then if you notice, there are some other text and I don't want those texts. Actually. So I'm going to change that. I don't want those texts there. So I'm going to ungroup this layer. So now that I've ungrouped that layer, I'm going to go over to just click on this upper layer, delete that, and delete the one under. I don't need those ones. All I need is this first one, which is wealth. Then I'm going to go back to my font again and click on this one. As you can see, these are free fonts. Obviously they are paid ones, but this is a free one. As a print on demand person, if you want to make passive income from print on demand using Canva, I would advise you to get the pro version because you want to get rid of the white background at the end of the design. You don't want your white background in your shirt, so I would advise you to get the pro version. With the pro version, you have ability to use pro images, pro text, you get your images from it straight right from the beginning, so you can use that. So I would advise you to get pro. It is super important if you are serious about making passive income. We're talking about 100 to 1000 plus a month from passive income. You doing print on demand, I would advise you to get Canva Pro. But I got you covered. You guys have been amazing. So the first link in the description for you guys who have not taken the opportunity, please use that opportunity. You can get 1 month free on Canva Pro. So please use the first link in the description. Sign up. When you sign up with that link, then you can come back, complete your design. But you watch this. This is just a tutorial so that you can make your own afterwards. But make sure if you're done watching this, you click on the first link in the description. Sign up with that link so that you can get 1 month free, so that you can create designs without the background. You don't need the background. You want all your designs without background so that you can put on multiple colors of shirts. So let's keep going. So now that we have this, as you can see, we have 2 layers again. So I'm going to ungroup that, but before then I'm just going to do Control A, and now I'm just going to put is freedom. So that's what that is going to say. So now I'm going to ungroup this because I obviously don't want some text there again. So I'm going to ungroup this and delete that one and delete the 2009 under. So now we have this. So it says wealth is freedom, work hard daily. So let's see what that is gonna say. Let's see what that is gonna say. We can say, so now that we have this all set up, so we're just gonna find a fanciful font just like this one. So click on that again. It's gonna appear here. We'll make it bigger. So to do that, over your cursor, move your cursor to this edge, press your left mouse click button, drag outwards. So now I'm gonna ungroup this from the beginning. Ungroup, click on the gray area and click on this gift. Delete that. So now we're left with this. So I'm just gonna do Ctrl A. Sorry about that. Click out, Ctrl A. So this one is gonna say add work pays always. So that is going to say add work pays always. Add work pays always. That's the way we want it, and we're going to reduce that because we want it to be the smallest of all. So we're just going to make that like so. Then we're just going to move it just like that. As you can see, we have it. It says wealth is freedom, hard work pays. So for me, I really don't think I want this on a black shirt, but most black shirt sells the most from my perspective. It sells the most, but for this I'm going to leave it on this color. But when you're on, yes, let me change the color. Let me change this color to black. Actually, let me change it to black. So that's how to change the background to black. You just click on the background and change that to black. Then you click on your text and let me just change that to white. So let me change that to white. Change that to white again. So for this, I'm just going to do, let me first change that to white so that we can see what we're doing. So now I'm just going to highlight the ad. We made that. We're going to use this color variant. So we're going to click on the red for the work. We're going to use a different color. So we'll do that like so. We'll do purple and we'll do yellow. Should we do yellow? Let's see if we can do yellow. So now when you click off, you see you have it like so. It's super easy to create this design. These designs are never so complicated, can never be complicated. These are simple designs. You don't need to stress yourself over. As simple as A, B, C. This design sell easy. This is a motivational, inspirational kind of t-shirt. It's a motivational and inspirational kind of t-shirt design. It does not take us time. So now I'll just go over and show you. If I click on download, as you can see, I have the gold crown which says this. To use the transparent background, I need to be on Pro. I've told you how to get Pro. The first link in the description. Click on that to get Pro. As you can see, you can use other file dimension. So you can do compressed file if you want your file not to be too big, but you need to be on Pro. That's just the way it is. And you have different. You can save in PNG, but I advise to always save in PNG. Very important. You want to always save in PNG. Then you click on download. It's going to prepare your download, and once it's done, it's going to download that. Always make sure you check to cross check. Yes, I said that. Check to cross check. I think I'll make a t-shirt design for that. Check to cross check. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment. So now if you just go to, you see it, you have it like so. See, you have it. As you can see, it's downloaded with the white, with the black background, and you don't want this. You don't want this. You never want this in your design. You don't want, because now you can only put on a black shirt, which is not right. You should be able to put it on 3 colors. You should be able to put it on a black, on a white, navy blue, or a brown, a common color gray and all that. So you should be able to put it on that. But with this, you can see you can't do that. You can only put it on a black shirt, which we don't want. So I advise you to get Canva Pro. Make sure you check and sign up with the first link in the description. to get that done and sorted. And you can see it didn't take us too much time, just about 10 minutes to get this done, and it's super exciting. So with that said, I'm just gonna see you on the next one. To your right, you're gonna see a playlist. Make sure you watch that playlist, and I'll see you definitely tomorrow. I want to go back to my daily t-shirt design posting, so I'll definitely see you on that. With that said, I'll say stay blessed, stay safe, one love. Subscribe if you've not subscribed, like, share. Thank you very much. I appreciate your time. Bye.